Today I'm here to introduce the TT126 TT126R group communication system. This is the main transmitter, this is the vice transmitter. The main transmitter and the vice transmitter can communicate in two ways. They can transmit audio to the group members, they can also hear other transmitters. This is the receiver, which can only receive sounds from the main transmitter and vice transmitters, and cannot transmit audio to other members. This hands-free communication system is designed for situations where multiple spokespersons are transmitting to the same team and those spokespersons need to communicate in two ways, while the rest of the members of the team simply listen in via the earhook receiver. If your team needs two spokespersons and the spokespersons need to communicate with each other in two ways, you can use one main transmitter, one vice transmitter, and some earhook receivers. If your team needs three spokespersons and the spokespersons need to communicate with each other in two ways, you can use one main transmitter, two vice transmitter, and some earhook receivers. And so on. No matter how many spokespersons your team needs, the TT126 will meet your needs, just add the vice transmitters. By the way, the transmitter can be connected to any number of earhook receivers, and you are free to increase or decrease the number of receivers depending on the size of your team. The main transmitter comes with the same accessories as the vice transmitter, one single earphone microphone, one USB recharging cable, and one lanyard, which is used to hang the device around your neck to free your hands. It also comes with a back clip so you can hang the device from your belt or pocket. The earhook receiver comes with a USB recharging cable, and we also offer a charging case, charging base, and carry bag for you. The transmitter and receiver support contact charging. This is the charging contact for the transmitter and this is the charging contact for the receiver. Simply place the device in the groove of the charging case and it will charge without having to align and plug it into the charging port. The receiver adapts to either the left or right ear. It is lightweight at 20 grams and is not uncomfortable to wear for long periods of time. The benefit of an earhook receiver is that you don't need to prepare headphones, you can just hang it on your ear and listen. And, without the constraints of a tangled headphone cable, the listener has more freedom of movement. Next, I will demonstrate the operation of the TT126 TT126R team communication system. How to pair them. Turn it on, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds, you will see the lock icon disappear, then you can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust to the channel you want. Same for the vice transmitter, turn it on, long press the lock button for 3 seconds, you will see the lock icon disappear. At this point you can adjust the channel by using the plus and minus buttons. Now the main transmitter and vice transmitter are the same channel, which means they are paired. Next you need to synchronize the receiver's channel with the transmitters. It has an auto-pairing function. First press the plus button, then press the power button, release the button when the indicator light is on, you will see the indicator light blinking. It means it is searching for the transmitter's signal. When the indicator light shows a green light with long duration, it means it has been paired. The transmitter and receiver have channel memory function. When you use it again, it will automatically keep the last setting after switching on. You don't need to pair it every time you use it. How to mute the transmitter with one button? Long press the mute button on the transmitter. You will see the volume level behind the MIC become OFF icon, which means other transmitters and receivers won't be able to hear anything from this transmitter. When your team needs to take a break for a while, or the speaker needs to talk privately, you can turn on the mute function to abort the audio transmission. How do I turn off all receivers with one click? After the event, you need to switch these devices off, and when you use many devices, it's a waste of time to switch them off one by one. Therefore, you need the feature of turning off all receivers with one click to help you be more efficient. Just long press the mute button and minus button. Within 3 seconds, all the vice transmitters and receivers will be switched off. In addition to the above features, they also support auxiliary and MIC dual input, adjustable volume, adjustable microphone sensitivity, low battery reminder and other useful features. If you are interested, Please feel free to contact us. Our expert team is always happy to serve you.